Welcome to DPC Education. So in this video we are going to start with the Cisco Packet Tracer. So we are going to deal with the computer networks in regarding. We are going to do the practical things here. So this is the Cisco Packet Tracer application. So here we are going to do the practical things like simulations of computer networks. So first we'll see the overview of this Cisco Packet Tracer. So here you can see the network devices. So these are some of the routers. Okay, and here you can see the end devices. So in the end devices we have laptop, PC, server, web server, printer, um, TV, phone, smart devices, tablet, wireless tablets, etc. Okay, so here when we come to the component section we have MCU board and other things, and this is connection. So these are connections, wired connections and wireless connections. So this is a crossover cable, Ethernet straight through cable. So this is USB, this is custom cable. So this is USB cable, this is octal cable, this is serial DTE, and this is serial DCE, and this is coaxial cable, this is phone cable. So these are some of the connection cables, and these are miscellaneous. uh, and Here when we come here, these are routers and these are switches. So here you can see these are some of switches. This is PT bridge, and here we have ups, this is hub, repeater, coaxial splitters, and these are wireless devices. So here you can see the wireless routers, and here you can see the cell phone towers, CD servers. Okay, and here's some of the security devices, and this is cloud. So we'll save all the information in the cloud, right? So this is about the cloud. And here we have two sections, that is logical section and the physical section. So in the physical section you can see the things physically, like some of the laptops, the physical things, the connection cables and all. Here you can see physically, and this is like a diagram. So here you can see the logical part, and here we have a file for saving, printing and all, and these are the messages that where these things we'll use while we do the simulations and all. So these are some of the overview of this Cisco Packet Tracer. So we are going to start with this Cisco Packet Tracer. So now we'll do the simple connection using Cisco Packet Tracer. So here we'll take on end devices. We'll place on my end device here and one end device here. So this is PC. We have two pieces, and here we'll connect. So for connections, if we have same devices, we are going to use crossover cable. That is, we are going to use this crossover cable. And if we have different devices, for example, if you want to connect PC with a switch or a hub or for a router, we'll use this Ethernet straight through cable. Okay, so since here we have two same devices, that is, this is also PC and this is also PC, we have same devices, we'll use crossover cables to connect this PC. We'll connect to fast Ethernet 0, and here also fast Ethernet 0. Okay, now the next step is we want to give IP address for each and individual PCs. Okay, so for this PC we'll click on this PC, and here you can see the physical part. So here you can see the physical part. We have this is power button, power off and power on. Okay, so we'll come for desktop, and here we have IP config. So we'll give IP address. For example, I'll give 10.10.10.1. Okay, so if we keep click on subnet mask, the default address is generated here. Okay, so we'll cancel, and for will so now we'll click on this PC, and here you can see in the desktop side IP configuration will give IP address as 10.10.10.2. Okay, so the subnet mask, this is the mark address will get by default. Okay, now we'll check, we'll go to desktop and we'll go for command prompt, and here we'll give the command as IP config. Okay, press on enter. Here we can see the IP address of 10.10.10.1. so this is the command which is used to see the IP address of any device like laptop and all. So if you, so here you can see the IP address 10.10.10.1. okay, and if you want to see the IP address of this PC, we'll go to desktop and command prompt, we'll give ipconfig, enter. Okay, here you can see the 10.10.10.2 is the IP address of this PC. Now if you want to check whether the connection is established between these two PCs, we'll click on this PC, we'll go to command prompt and we'll give the command as ping 10.10.10.2. okay, we press on enter, invalid command, sorry, just a second, ping 10.10.10.2. if you press on enter, here you can see we are getting replies from the second PC. So we have sent 4 packets and we have received 4 packets. We have has 0 lost, that is 0% loss. So that means we have successfully connected to the second PC. So for example, if we don't have 10.10.10.3, let us check ping 10.10.10.3. okay, if you press on enter, here you can see pinging 10.10.3. so this is failure, so requested timeout. This is failure because we have not connected to a third PC, or we have not connected to a IP address which have 10.10.10.3. so therefore we are getting requested timeout. So we have sent 4 packets but we are not received 4 packets. Okay, so now we have successfully connected the 2 PC. So this is just a simple example of Cisco packet tracer connection. So in further tutorials we'll see the more connections in this Cisco packet tracer. Thank you.